Hello dear students and welcome to our online lesson. Today I'm your teacher and my name is Dina Aubakirova and I am presenting the lesson of D Ahmetov. So today's our topic is paragraph structure, relevant and irrelevant information. Okay, and I want you, before we start our lesson, to ask one question. Can you please remind me what structure IELTS writing task 2 should have? Okay, think please individually. You can share your ideas with your partners. Alright, good. Thank you for your ideas. Now let's check. So here you can see the structure. The types of essays of writing task 2. Can you please read what we have on our screen? Good. The structure varies depending on type of the question. For example, you can see on the board, agree and disagree. So here is one example that has been done for you. Read please and see and out of this, can you tell me what shall we practice today? Yes, all right. Thank you very much for your answers. Now let's begin. Now I want you to look at this. Today we will look at how to write each paragraph separately. What should be in the introduction? What is the structure of the introduction paragraph? Discuss in pairs these two questions. Now, give me your answers, please. Okay, great answers. Thank you. Thank you so much for your responses. And now let's check whether you were correct. Read, please, what we have on our board. Good. So, what are the key points of the introduction? Can you please tell me? States, good, and background information, excellent. And what about thesis? Yes, opinion, great. So thank you so much for your answers, and now we will look at some sample introduction paragraph and answer a few questions. Can you read please first? Alright, so question number 1. Where does the author state the problem? Good, thank you. Now let's check whether you were correct. Yes, you were right. Thank you very much for your answer. Question number 2. Where does the author gives background information? Yes, you are right. Sentence number 2 of this paragraph. And the next question. Where is the author's opinion or thesis? Yes, of course. Good. Sentence number 3. Now let's continue. Now please, we'll be looking at body paragraph structure. What is the structure of the body paragraph? What should it include? Discuss in your pairs and we will find out later. Now let's discuss together. Who can answer the first question? All right. Good. Thank you. And what should it include? What do you think? Yes. Thank you. You're smart students. Now let's check. So here is, you can see body structure, body part 1, or reason 1, body 2, reason 2, and reason 3. Find please the keywords in body part 1 and body part 2. Yes, topic sentence, good. Evidence with examples, tie back. Good. So what can you tell me, what do you know about topic sentence? Yes, okay, good job. Yes, we had this example before. Good. Yes, thank you. Any ideas? Okay. So now we are going to watch a video. And before watching the video, I want you to read the questions, which I will ask you later. Now let's watch.
The ability to write a successful essay begins with the ability to write a strong paragraph. So I want to talk about basic paragraph structure and a little bit about what makes an effective paragraph. Okay, so every paragraph has the same 3 basic components. You have your topic sentence, your supporting sentences, and your concluding sentence. Now the topic sentence is important because it's the main idea of the entire paragraph. The supporting sentences have one job, which is to develop the main idea or to support the topic sentence with examples, detail, explanation. The concluding sentence is there to give the paragraph closure and to touch upon the main idea, to give the reader the idea that the topic is now finished and that you're moving on to something else. Okay, so the entire paragraph stems from the topic sentence. So it's really important to have a strong topic sentence. Let's look at an example of a good one. Taking too many university courses at once can have potentially serious consequences. Okay, so this is a strong topic sentence for a couple reasons. One, it has a clear topic. In this case, taking too many university courses at once. Also, it has a main idea. In this case, potentially serious consequences. It's also effective because it gives the reader an idea of what kind of paragraph they're going to be reading, whether it's descriptive, narrative, opinion-based, comparison. Now in this case, it's clearly going to be a paragraph discussing the effects of taking too many courses. All right, now let's look at 4 example topic sentences. You can even pause the video for a minute and look at these 4 sentences and decide which do you think is the strongest topic sentence here. All right, that was actually a bit of a trick question because none of these 4 sentences are strong topic sentences. Each of them is problematic in one way or another. So let's look at them. Number 1, 4 to 5 teenagers in Canada have cell phones. Now the problem with that is that it's a fact, and therefore it's too specific, it's too narrow to be a topic sentence. There's no idea to develop in your supporting sentences. Number 2, driving is very stressful. That's also problematic, but for the opposite reason. It's too broad. It's too big of an idea. You have to be more specific, less generalized. Driving where or when? Stressful for whom? Number 3, how I learned to be more patient. Now this is a good topic, but it's not a topic sentence because it's incomplete. Make sure that your topic sentence has a clear subject, verb, and is a completed idea. Okay. Number 4, in this paragraph, I would like to discuss the importance of food in Italian culture. Now, this is a common mistake in topic sentences. Don't announce your topic. Don't tell the reader what you're going to discuss. Simply state your opinion or your main idea. Now, let's look at some revised versions of those sentences to see some improvements, okay? Number one, cell phones should be banned from classrooms for several reasons. Now this is good because there's now an opinion. It's no longer a fact, and the writer has taken a clear position. Number two, driving on the highway in heavy traffic is stressful for many motorists. Again, this is better because now it's more specific. Three, having a child taught me the importance of being patient. An improvement because you now have a clear subject, verb, and a complete thought. And number four, food is an essential part of Italian culture. You're no longer announcing what you're going to discuss, so that's much better. Okay. Why don't you follow the link at the end of this video if you're interested in trying an exercise that's connected to this lesson.
Alright, great. I hope you enjoyed this video, and now you will be looking at a sample of body paragraph. So look at this hamburger. You can see the structure of it. I hope that you remember them. Alright, now let's continue. Do you remember this introduction? Alright, so now today we are going to use it several times. So now we will, I want you to read body paragraph number 1 first. Alright, now I have one question for you. Where is the topic sentence? Yes, that's right. Now tell me please, where is the explanation of the topic? Yes, you are right, absolutely right. And the next question which I'm going to ask you is, where is the example? Yes, the next two sentences. Great. And the last question about this body 1 is, where is the tie back? Yes, you're smart students. Was it difficult for you to discuss? No, I think it's quite simple. Thank you for your work. Now let's continue. So now your task is, please read the sentences which you see on the whiteboard. Can you read the task, please? Do you understand this task? Now I will give you 1 minute to do this activity, to put these paragraphs into order. Okay, now let's check. Okay, so number 1 is, can you please read? Yes. So now let's check your answers, whether you were correct. Can you please read this paragraph one by one? Thank you. Good. So let's see the next one. I want you to ask these questions. Can you please read the first question? All right. Discuss in pairs this question. Now give your answers. Good. Thank you very much. Now let's discuss question number 2. What techniques can help you? Discuss in pairs this question, and let's work together. All right. Now I want to listen to your answers. Good. Thank you so much. Now I will help you with some techniques today, and I want you to write them down in your copybooks. So the first technique is understanding the question. Number 2, planning the correct response. Understanding the question means what can help you to understand this question. I want you to think about this question and discuss it with a partner on the left. Yes, the answer is paraphrasing. Now I want to answer the following question and check. So I want you to paraphrase this task, and I give you 2 minutes to discuss it with your partner and find out what is the best paraphrasing phrase. Begin. Alright, now let's check. Read please the task. Yes. Have you got the same? If you have nearly the same, you're absolutely correct. So the main point is to paraphrase it closer to the task which you have. Alright? Now let's continue, and now I want you to look at this picture and discuss in groups of 3 what do you think about the correct response. Alright, so what ideas do you have about the correct response? Yes, that's right, it is brainstorming. Good. So, who can explain what shall we do under brainstorming action at the lesson? Yes, pick up some main key points and ideas from who? Yes, from all the students. Thank you. Now let's have a practice of brainstorming ideas. Your task is present a written argument or case to an educated reader with no special knowledge on the following topic. Can you please read the task in bold? Alright, now let's discuss. Can you tell me what type of question is it? Yes, you are correct. Now let's continue, and I want you to put your causes and solutions into 2 columns, as you can see on the board. I give you 1 minute to write as many causes and solutions as you can. Good, all right. All right, now let's check. Can you please read your causes and solutions, and we will check it with those which I have on my whiteboard. Good. Thank you. Any other ideas? All right. Now let's check. Number 1. The first cause is huge areas of the world's oceans are not protected by environmental laws. And solutions bring in laws to protect fish species and limit fishing. Good. Now I want you to read yourselves the next points. Alright, now let's discuss who has got similar points. Good. Can you please read them? Alright, thank you so much for your great answers. Okay, so if you need any help or you need some advice where to go and what websites can you go to, here you can see and I will provide this information for you specially if you ask. Okay, so any extra information you can find on Moodle NIS EduKZ. So thank you very much for our lesson. I think that you were the best students. Good luck. See you next time.